Do you need a special mattress for a Murphy bed? If you're considering a Murphy bed to save some space in your home, you might be wondering if you need a special mattress for it. Let's break it down to help you make the right choice. First, it's important to understand that Murphy beds are designed to be space efficient, folding up against the wall when not in use. This unique design means you need a mattress that fits perfectly and functions well in this setup. When it comes to the type of mattress, you don't necessarily need a custom-made Murphy bed mattress, but there are some key considerations. For instance, the thickness of the mattress is crucial. Typically, a mattress between 8 and 12 inches thick works best. Anything thicker could prevent the bed from closing properly, so it's best to stick within this range. Memory foam and gel mattresses are often recommended because they hold their shape well and provide good support without the need for a box spring. In fact, box springs are not necessary for Murphy beds, as they would interfere with the folding mechanism. Instead, these mattresses can rest directly on the solid surface of the Murphy bed frame. The firmness of the mattress also matters. You should choose a mattress that supports your body well, especially your spine. For back and stomach sleepers, a medium to firm mattress is usually ideal, while side sleepers might prefer something softer. The good news is that there are a variety of firmness levels available, so you can find one that suits your needs. Another factor is the weight of the mattress. It should be heavy enough to stay in place when the bed is opened and closed. Most Innerspring mattresses that are 9 to 12 inches thick and weigh at least 55 pounds work well for this purpose. In terms of specific mattresses, there are several options that are well suited for Murphy beds. For example, the Nectar Classic is a popular choice for its soft, supportive, and pressure-relieving feel. The Bear Original is another great option, known for its cooling features and balanced foam feel. If you prefer a firmer mattress, the Plank Firm is a good choice, especially for stomach sleepers. To sum it up, while you don't need a special mattress in the sense of a custom-made one, you do need to choose a mattress that fits the specific requirements of a Murphy bed. Look for a mattress that is between 8 and 12 inches thick, supports your body well, and doesn't require a box spring. With the right mattress, you can enjoy a comfortable and restful sleep on your Murphy bed.